Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily change HDMI resolution on the Sony ZV-1 II. So first, head over to the menu. Now scroll a bit down until you see the setup. And here go over to the external output. Click the OK. Now go over to HDMI resolution. And here you can set it to auto, 2K or 180p. And here you can change it to 1080i and 1080p. So here's where you can change it. That'd be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.